Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me yet, my name is Candy. My husband's name is Kev. We recently moved to the Netherlands and this is our tiny Dutch apartment.
Listen to me as I say, listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams are yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned. Trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be loved. All I wanted was to be loved.
So the building we live in is actually more known for being student homes. We were really fortunate in getting a corner unit which is a tiny little bit bigger. All of the other apartments are little bachelor pads, where this one your room is at least in on its own. Our apartment is 40 square meters, but something I absolutely love about it is this beautiful view. In the little entrance area you'll also see one of these IKEA drawers, and on there I kind of keep my perfumes on display. It's in a beautiful little antique tray which I brought over from South Africa. Because we are renting, we can't really like paint the walls or put stuff up against it, so I'm trying to use things with height on the drawers to kind of create some warmth and depth within the room. So I've got a little illustration on display as well, and in those cupboards we kind of keep like my camera stuff, some study material, stationery, shoes, and my handbags. Now the kitchen area is quite practical. Love the stainless steel tops. It's really nice to work on with your food and stuff like that. It's quite practical in the sense of using it is easy, but we did start to run out of space a little bit. So once again I used an IKEA drawer which we kind of keep our microwave on, and in there we kind of keep food and some extra cooking utensils. We have a really tiny fridge which has been a bit of a challenge. In South Africa we were used to buying weekly groceries and then just have the fridge stocked, but here you have to think smart and kind of just buy what you need and what you're definitely going to use, especially because our freezer is like this small. This small. It's difficult to like stock up on meat and stuff, but we're managing, and it's actually great in a sense because it prevents you from food wastage, because you know what's in there, you're definitely going to use it. Now the Dutch are known for being quite tall people, so something I'd absolutely love about these cupboards is they go quite tall, so there's actually a lot of packing space within them. So the little display unit we have here with our Macs on, it's not the most practical place for the Macs because we can't use them. We have to move them to a plug point to use, but it's quite nice just to keep them here, keep them safe. And this is like a little dead space which you can't really do anything with, so this unit actually fits perfectly in there. And then I have like a Dutch cookbook in it, which was like my first Dutch cookbook, and of course a candle. Now on this side you'll see my whole candle collection. I love candles, I'm obsessed with candles. I have them displayed here with some extra cookbooks and a cute little headpiece just to add some warmth to this little corner. Now this is of course my favorite room, well, piece of the room. It is our living room and we absolutely love it. We spend a lot of time here, of course, chilling, watching TV, listening to music. looking at the beautiful view, and I just absolutely love the way our living room looks. Once again, we're using IKEA drawers to kind of store in all our clothes, which I know is kind of weird, but yeah, we don't have any closets, so we had to come up with an idea, and so I decided to create a TV cabinet using IKEA drawers, and then in there we also store all of our clothes, and no one actually knows that there's clothes in your living room. The couch, even though it's very small, it's in a U shape, so it kind of creates a little bit more of a cozy, warm feeling. And the carpet is a carpet I absolutely loved, and Ivan also loved sleeping on that carpet. That was our dog, and it's definitely something that I do not regret bringing from South Africa. Now for the guitar, Kev actually bought that while he was here and I was still in South Africa, and he wanted to learn how to play guitar, but he never got around to that. I can play a little bit, but the guitar is like really out of tune at the moment, so we kind of just use it as a decor piece. And because it's black, I also incorporated some black things in, like the little stand we have standing next to it. On top of this unit, you will see a little illustration of Kevin, I, and Ivan. It is a very sentimental piece, and obviously we really miss our dog. If you don't know, we lost our dog due to arthritis just before we moved. It was a very emotional thing to go through, and that is just a beautiful picture as a beautiful memory of him. And of course I had to add a little bit of Dutch feel to our home, so we got the little houses, the little Dutch houses that are so cute. I absolutely love them on there. Then we have some extra candles on display and flowers. I absolutely just love the look that flowers give. It kind of just brings a lot of warmth and some bright colors to your room. Next to that, I have a little marble tray I got from Country Road from Woolworths in South Africa. I love putting my candles on there, or just little displaying things. I'll kind of switch it up and change it a little bit as we go along. Our TV is a 45-inch TV. It was the first thing I bought here in the Netherlands. When Kev came over, he had nothing, so I got him a TV as a gift. It's like quite a cool gift. Next to it, we have a display mannequin on top of designer books, and I also have a framed Louis Vuitton bag. The stand it's on, it's actually quite cute. It's like a vintage piece, and it's actually an old stand people used to put their cooking books in. So it's got even the two little weight balls to keep your pages down while you're busy cooking. I love the fact that it's got like the Parisian style, and I love like Parisian decor mixed with like modernness, so that was also kind of my inspiration. The room is the part I would say I like the least. We don't have a lot of space in there. Obviously we have one IKEA drawer in there with some more clothes, and then of course some of my makeup collection displayed on top, and some in the drawers. Our bed kind of just fits in the corner. We've got a coat hanging at the back, so the door can't open completely. And we also have this weird thing in the corner where they have all the pipes and stuff. We first thought that it was a closet, but it's not. So the pipes and gas and water pumps and heating system, I don't know, it's like a little service corner over there, so it's kind of just in a weird space. We don't have a lot going on in there, but you know, I must say that it's just a place we sleep.
So I realized in editing that I didn't touch on the bathroom at all. Our bathroom, once again, it's also really small. We only have a shower and then like a basin. I must say this cupboard is quite nice. It fits in all of our toiletries and things like that, so that is quite useful. We obviously, as I mentioned, just have a shower, and then we have the toilet, but on top we have this cute little shelf which I also decorated with some towels we use when ours is kind of, you know, running low. Then we just grab those new ones, some candles of course, another print, and also a fragrance. So yeah, that's the little bathroom. I actually quite like the little subway tiles and that everything's white. It also helps a little bit with the room feeling a bit bigger than what it actually is.
So something I definitely want to mention is that in South Africa you are measured by the size of your TV, what car you drive, and also your home, what your home looks like, how big it is. It was such a cool thing to come here and experience that people don't care about things like that because they actually live outdoors. And even though you do spend some time indoors, the Dutch are well known for enjoying the outdoors and just like living outside, and it's something we have been enjoying as well. Although we do spend time here, we actually find ourselves often going on little walks and little trips and going to the park and just going for night strolls and things like that. So it is so cool to live a different lifestyle, and one that where you are not judged about what you have, but more about like what you do with the time you have, and we absolutely love that. So yes, it is tiny, it is small, but it's good enough for us for now, and I think definitely in the near future we would like to move to find a home with an extra room where we can have friends and family over. But for now, our tiny Dutch apartment is perfect for the two of us, and we created a space which we just really enjoy spending time with together. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of our little apartment and would love to know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, girl, and hit the bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload a video. I hope you have an amazing day, and until next time, as always, stay sweet. Love you.